Let's take a look at the top 3 online passive income ideas. Number 3, start a blog. You can launch your very own blog or website that will be devoted to readers who are also your potential clients. The way this operates is that you can use your blog as a means for marketing products and services that sell really well. Create short reviews and articles on those items, and eventually people will begin emailing you and requesting you to review their services and products, and they will compensate you for it. These customer reviews typically range from 500 to 1,000 words, and you can get paid anywhere between $5 to $50. Number 2, develop an online course. Do you already have something you're unbelievably talented at? And do you understand how to pass on your expertise and teach the subject to others? If that sounds like you, then you are already halfway to developing an online course. Online courses have ended up being a big hit and have exploded in popularity recently, because individuals are beginning to recognize that it's not only about degrees and which college you attended. If you are skilled at mobile app development, or maybe you are a seasoned welder, you can make instructional articles and videos, and maybe even teach an entire class by joining websites that provide these types of services. Making an online program is no simple job, but top quality material and a little bit of work can make your training course worth several $100s. So it might be worth looking into. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll never miss another money-making video. Number 1, become an affiliate. Being an affiliate for a business could be a fantastic way for you to begin making a commission by blogging about products or services. Keep in mind, this isn't the exact same as being paid to publish a review, because in affiliate marketing, you're paid by commission. However, many major affiliate marketing programs require you to have a website. There are a lot of affiliate programs available, which offer you the chance to expand your blog and begin making some additional passive income. Amazon and iTunes offer a few of the more well-known affiliate programs, in addition to a number of other large businesses. Affiliate marketing works by having visitors click the web links in your blog posts, and then they ultimately buy the products or services you were blogging about. As soon as they click on the web link in your post and then purchase the item, you get paid a commission. Payment differs among companies, but typically it ranges from 2% to 10%. You can additionally become an affiliate marketer by having a popular social media channel and talking about the products or services you want to promote on your Instagram account or your Facebook and Twitter feeds. The final outcome is the very same. You get the money so long as the customer buys the item after clicking your web link. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.